Using this indicator you can generate as much profit as you went. For this, you do not need to learn any kind of chart pattern or technical analysis. In this video, I will tell you the formula to use this indicator. So let's watch the full video. You will see three indicators on the chart. Super Trend Indicator and Hensick-Hossie Indicator or MACD. Hensick-Hossie Indicator and MACD Indicator will help in executing the trade. And the Super Trend Indicator will help with stop loss. So let's see how to use. To execute buy trade, we need the Super Trend Indicator and Hensick-Hossie Indicator in blue color. MACD Indicator should be of green color. After these three confirmations, we have to select the right position to execute the trade. So you can see this position. The MACD indicator is move upwards after coming back to the zero level. After that, you can see the Super Trend and Hensick-Hossie indicator which is of blue color. And we will set our stop loss 10 points below the Super Trend indicator. And if the market crosses the Super Trend indicator, then we will book our profit. I hope you must have understood this trading strategy. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to see examples of some trades, so that you will definitely understand. Right now we are going to look at such situations, which can cause you a loss of money when trading. Just as it is necessary to trade on the right conditions, in the same way, it is more important not to trade in some situations. As you should know. Here, after a strong downtrend, the market moves to the sideways. As you can see here, you don't have to trade on any signal until the market gives a breakout. And one thing you have to pay attention to. If the market has been on the downtrend for a long time and suddenly a buy signal is created, then you do not have to trade. As you can see here. But after that sell signal is created here, so here we can trade. We will set the stop loss 10 points above the Super Trend indicator. And the stop loss will slowly move down with the Super Trend indicator. And we will book our profit when the market crosses the Super Trend indicator. So you can see a lot of signals here which are all created on the buy-sell side. And there are a lot of signals here which have made a very good profit. There are many such signals from which there is no profit, but one thing that you will notice is a very common thing, that stop loss is very small. Whenever you trade, keep one thing in mind. Which trend is in the market at that time? I know a lot of people don't know that how do we install the indicator in mt4. So I have already made it in the video, which is in the link description below. And many people are confused, that if I sell the indicator then it is not there at all. In whatever indicator I provide. It's totally free. For my subscribers, just have to go to them. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video.